We're using Hostinger and WordPress because it's one of the easiest and most affordable ways to build a real website without needing to know how to code. Hostinger gives you everything in one place: your website domain, fast loading, and reliable support at a price that's great for beginners. WordPress lets you fully control your site and makes it super easy to write blog posts, add links, and customize the look of your site with just a few clicks. So if you want something that's simple, flexible, and built to grow, this combo is one of the best ways to start an affiliate website. Go to Hostinger using the link in the description below. Using our link will get you an additional 10% off the normal price. When you're there, click Claim Deal. Then select the plan. I recommend the business plan because you get daily website backups, a higher visitor cap than the premium plan, and a CDN. Click Choose Plan. The next page will prompt you to select a period. I recommend selecting at least 12 months because that will get you a free domain. Longer terms will also give you much bigger discounts. Select your term and then click Continue. Next, follow the prompts to enter your payment information. After you make a payment, you'll land on the Hostinger sign-up workflow. For Hello, who is this website for? Select the relevant option and then click Next. For Do you want to create or migrate a website? Click Create a website, then click Next. For how do you want to build your website? Click WordPress, then click Next. Next, you'll need to create login details for WordPress. Notice this is a separate username and login than for your Hostinger credentials. So go ahead and set your email and password for your WordPress account here. For how would you like to build your website? Click Blank Site. Then grab your domain name. I recommend using a .com domain because they're easy to remember. So go ahead and type a domain name you like to see if it's available. And you see my name is available here, so I'll go ahead and click on it and I get this free domain for the first year. When you've selected your domain, click Next. Go ahead and register your domain following the prompts. For the question, where is your target audience located? If you selected the business plan, this doesn't matter too much because the CDN will distribute your website to servers all over the globe, but for the premium plan, this does matter more. So pick a data center closest to where your audience lives. Then click Install WordPress. After WordPress installs, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. Before continuing and doing anything else, go ahead and open your email. You should have two emails from Hostinger. One is to verify your email address, and the other is to verify your email address for your domain. Open both of those emails, click the verification links, and follow the prompts to finish the verification process. When you're finished, close the extra tabs and return to your WordPress dashboard. So believe it or not, your website is already active. Open a new tab and then go to your domain. I'll admit, it's not much to look at, but it does exist. Here is the website, live and on the internet. Now, before we continue, I should point out there are two ways to log into WordPress to get to the dashboard. One way is to go to your domain, and then at the end of the .com, add wp-admin for WordPress admin, and you'll be taken to this page where you can log in with the WordPress username and password that you created earlier during the Hostinger onboarding process. Alternatively, you can go to hostinger.com and log into the dashboard there, and from here you can go to Websites, and then click on WordPress admin next to your website. Now it's time to give your site a clean, professional look. To do this easily, we'll install a free plugin that lets us choose from dozens of professionally designed website templates. This saves you hours of design work and gives your site a strong foundation immediately. Go to Plugins on the left side nav bar. WordPress plugins are like apps for your website. They add new features or tools without needing to code anything. For example, some plugins help your site load faster, others help with SEO, and some make it easier to manage your affiliate links. You can add or remove them as needed to customize how your site works. We'll start by adding a plugin that allows us to jumpstart our website design by using a professional blog template. At the top of the page, click Add New Plugin. Here, search for Starter Templates. And we want this one here, Starter Templates, Elementor, and WordPress Templates. Click Install Now. It'll take a moment. And then click the Activate button. Back on the Plugins page, under Starter Templates, click Get Started. Now search for a template style that suits you. Note, some of these are free and some require additional payment, and those are indicated by a premium tag. For our demo, we'll go to the blog category and then travel blog. And we'll select this one here called travel blog. Next, you'll be prompted on the left side to make a few design choices, starting with your site logo. If you don't have a logo yet, check out logo.com. It's free, easy to use, and gives you dozens of polished designs based on your brand style. Just answer a few questions, pick your favorite option, and download everything you need from the brand kit. I've left a link to logo.com in the video description below. For this website, I've used logo.com to create my logo, so I'll upload that now. Go ahead and click Upload File here and upload your logo. I recommend using a logo in PNG format with a transparent background, like this one. Next, add some alt text. Alt text is what shows up on a device when the image can't load. This is also useful for navigating sites for people who have extra accessibility needs. I recommend just putting the name of the site. And then do the same thing for the title of the image. Click Select, and the logo has been selected. Next, pick a font pairing. I'm going to use this first one for the demo, but you can toggle through and look at the other font options. Next, pick a color palette. Toggle through them, see which one suits your style, and I'm going to go with style 9 here. When you're all done making your initial design choices, click Continue. For these site features, go ahead and just use the default options here: Page Builder, Contact Form, and Website Emails and SMTP. We don't need any of these other features at the moment. Click Continue. For this OK, just one last step page, under the Tell us a little bit about yourself section, go ahead and enter your information. Under Advanced Options, for Install and Activate Astra Theme, leave this toggled on. And for Share Non-Sensitive Data, this is a personal choice if you want to leave it on or toggle it off. It just helps the developers build better templates and products by sharing non-sensitive data, but I'm going to leave this on because I want to help the developers out. Once you've made all your choices, click the checkbox for I understand, let's go, and then click Submit and build my website. It'll take a moment to build the site, and then when it's finished, click View Your Website. It'll open up in a new tab, and you can see the preview of the website ready to go. Go ahead and check it out, scroll around, and when you're done, close the tab and return to your dashboard. You can use the Visit Dashboard button to do that. Next, let's temporarily turn off caching. Caching is a way of storing website data temporarily to speed up load times, but it should be turned off while building a WordPress site to ensure that you see real-time changes instead of outdated saved versions. To do this, on the left side, click Plugins. Then, under Lightspeed Cache, click Deactivate. And that's all you need to do for now.